Hello, everybody. It is Hannah with Vandoit. I'm a van guru here, and you might recognize me from one other video, but this is my second video, and I'm super excited because we have the very first official move that we sold to a customer back in on trade. So it's our first pre-owned move that we have available. It is a high roof, standard length van, as you can see. And it's got a couple cool things that we don't do in our moves now. So it's a little bit of an Easter egg van, and I'm super excited to show you guys. But we'll start just on the exterior, pointing out a few things that it has. It's a good middle of the road exterior build. Doesn't have a ton of upgrades, but also has everything that you need to go off-road and be able to travel wherever you want. So the first of those features being the KO2 all-terrain tires with the ultra toil wheels, just to make it look a little bit more durable. And then it has stage 3 lift and suspension, which gets you anywhere that you want in these types of vans. You've got everything you need to go off-roading and gravel roads. You have the road comfort with the suspension, so you're good on that. You also have your Illumines side step upgrade. These are ones that we don't do anymore, but they are on this van. So if you get this van, you get a little bit of a treat with those. And then we'll walk around to the back. You've got your rear door ladder with your all-terrain spare tire on the back. So if you ever do get a flat, you have exactly what you need to just continue on your adventure without having to be too slowed down by it, as long as you know how to change the tire, which hopefully you guys all do. If you're owning an adventure van, you should know how to change a tire. And then last thing I'll point out on the exterior is the roof. There's 400 watts of solar on this van, and then you have your exterior light pods. And when we walk back to the front, you'll see the Thule awning, but it is the Vandoit roof rails. So nothing crazy on the top, but you have everything you need for your internal power system to run and stay healthy. So we're good on that. We'll walk around this side of the van so you can see the whole thing. You can see it has the pill windows, but it does not have the window flares to pop out. So that's a little bit of a unique feature on this van as well. And then with the Illumines side step upgrade, you do have a driver's side step in as well, which is not standard if you don't get upgrades on your steps. So that is a good thing. And then you have the front of the van. It just looks awesome. And then moving to the inside of the van, one thing I'll point out before we get in the van is this window. You guys probably noticed looks a little bit different than other windows that we have. And if you're wondering, yes, it does open from the inside, and there's a screen there. So on this window, so that's a really cool feature on this van that you don't see on any of our other Vandoit. So yeah, just a cool little treat with this unit. Moving to the inside, you can see this looks different than our newest MOOV models, but closer to the original ones that we were building. So going inside, you can see it has a lagoon, pivot table, swivel passenger seat to be able to face this cabin. And then looks like the driver's seat is not a swivel currently, but if you want it to be, you can always upgrade. And then it has the front cabin sliding curtain. So whenever you park, you're ready to go to bed. Instead of having to put those window covers up, you can just easily slide that behind the driver and passenger seat for privacy. They're also blackout, so you don't have to worry about light coming in. You do have bug walls here on the front, on the slider door. So those are already there for you on warm days when you want to be inside the van, but also have the door open and get some airflow coming in. Right now, the module setup in here is a single sink module with a single slide out and the Dometic 25, so the smallest fridge option that we have. And then you have your 3-drawer base, these 3, and then a single drawer module on top. If you come inside, you can see a little bit of what's different about this MOOV that is different from our current design is these cutouts that give you a little cubby with the T-track bars in there, and you can mount like wire baskets like this, or if you have other storage boxes that you want to mount, you can get really creative with this T-track. This will probably be removed unless the future owner requests to keep it, but those will be uncovered. You can mount whatever you want back there, and then you can see on the inside of both sides, actually, there's this same outlet panel. So you have a ton of outlet options in this kitchen area. You also have your built-in overhead storage in the MOOV, so you can store stuff easily right here. You also have your bulkhead, and then you have some more on this driver's side and a little bit over here on the passenger side. Just moving to the back, you have a couple more of those cutouts. There on the back, you have your pill windows on both sides that slide open. So they have magnetic covers right now, but those are under there. So that just allows some extra ventilation if you're in the van. A really nice thing about this model is you have your Murphy bed on this side, and then you have a little bit of a countertop space here. So you could either use this for storage, or if you're wanting to use your van as a mobile office at all, you could put a chair here, have this space to eat, work, whatever else you might want. And you could do like a flip up too if you want something to slide a chair under. Easily moves the bed out of the way since it's the Murphy bed, which we can look at now. It does have the Murphy bed system, which is not as common in our current MOOVs, but it is in this one. So for those of you who love the modularity of the Do and the Murphy bed, this is a really great option if you're also interested in the MOOV. So yeah, good for our doers. You can move it completely out of the way, take it out of the van if you want, and sleep. So that's good. And then as far as the power system goes, we have our stage 2 power system in here. So this is really great for pretty much everyone. It gives you the flexibility that you need to be off the grid for about, you could do 2 days or even up to a week, depending on your battery usage, if you're running the air conditioning or not, and what else you have plugged in. But this is a really comfortable amount of power to be able to run your components without being plugged in or without having the van running. So that is ideal. And then one thing also to point out in this van is that it's the 22-gallon water storage tank, which we don't do anymore. So if you do get this unit, you get a little bit extra water. And then it has the built-in hot water heater. You have your 15-foot coil hose that goes out the back. And then your water controls up there. And this is running to the sink over there. And then if you look at the back doors, you can see we have the ACM door panels on the doors with the T-track, so you can mount a ton of different storage options on those. The previous owner had hooks and bags hanging, so you can get super creative with what kind of storage you want back there and really just maximize the space that you have in here. And then just a couple other small things to point out. It does have a TV in here currently, so if you want a TV in your future van, this would be an option to keep in here. It does swivel, so if you're watching in bed, just turn it towards you, or if you're sitting in the living room area or in the driver passenger seat, you can turn it that way. I think that is about everything for this van. Maybe not, probably not. I'm probably missing some things. They got a cool little fire extinguisher mount right here. That's cool. Haven't seen that before. And then you have your max air fan remote, S-bar control, your rocker switches here, which are also by the passenger and driver seat. And then probably some back there as well. Just kidding. Oh, okay, yeah, you have them back.
Found them.
Yep. Yeah, 3-position rocker controls, and then you have your master volt battery control system right here, and your canned lighting. You have blue accent lights in here, so if you like blue, this is really awesome for you. And then, yeah, this, I mean, like I said at the beginning, we're really excited about this unit. It's a really great way to get people into a MOOV at a little bit lower of a price than if you were to go brand new. It has very low mileage, so that's awesome. It is all-wheel drive. It's everything that you could ever want and need. And then there is a little bit of room for adjustments if you want to add a shower. We could do that. But with all of that being said, do not walk, run to the contact us button down below, because this has already been a pretty highly talked about unit. Shout out Doug and Brett, my customers who I'm working with on this unit specifically. You guys, yeah, definitely run to that contact button if you like this unit, if you want to know more about it, and if you're interested in making it your own. Yeah, contact a guru, and then there will be a link below to this unit just to see more of it and the rest of our inventory. If this one does get picked up quick, you guys can look for more there. And yeah, as always, we love you guys. We always say that at the end of videos. And that's it. Peace.